I think they are the best thing to happen to women in a very long time.
I had never used anything other than pads or tampons.
Loads of my friends have told me about them and how good they are.
I was confused, like most people. How does it work? How does it stay up there? How do you put it up? How do you take it out?
Once you get the hang of it, they're actually really easy.
It doesn't overflow.
So these come in different sizes for each type of person.
They come in cool, funky colors.
And I think you can snip this thing.
Imagine shoes. It's not like there's one size fits all.
I'm on my third different one because it's kind of taken me a while to find the right one and trust the right one.
The best way to find out more about menstrual cups is to go online. Do a little bit of research, find out more about them, see what works for you and what doesn't.
Honestly, you just need this and some water.
But this is like brilliant for traveling.
It's going to save me so much money. Why wouldn't I want to buy one?
I'm definitely going to give it a go.
You'll never look back.
This is a period game changer.